भाई सच है ना, जब गली क्रिकेट में तुमको तुम्हारे नीचे के बॉल्स पे बॉल लगता है तो तुम हॉस्पिटल भागते हो या फिर ऐसे करके सुकुड़ के बैठ जाते हो 5 मिनट। ये क्या बयान चुप गई। चौवा चौवा नहीं आया। मैंने सोचा चौवा है लेकिन चौवा मत है।
But I think out of 11, Named bowled beautifully. He swung the ball early on when he came out to bowl good spell both ways.
मैंने सोचा चौवा आया लेकिन चौवा मत है।
Got couple of wickets as well.
चौवा मत
Already. That was the most important wicket. Another good delivery, cross seam maybe.
चलो भाई
Straight toward the seam and extra cover. Crucial spell by Mohammad Amir for Pakistan. 2 for 23 so. I think when someone has a very quick arm action, sometimes it's hard to pick the slow ball up. I think he's bowled his cutters really well.
चलो भाई आज तो संडे है, बहुत सारे काम बाकी है।
Plays this format.
4-5 दिन में बोल ही रहा हूँ।
Last ball of his spell coming up. It's been a good one for Mohammad Amir. People watching this game from all around the globe. This is New Delhi, in the Fan Park there. Getting the feeling of being inside a stadium, in spite of being miles away from New York City.
चलो भी मेरा सावर लेने का टाइम हो गया।
That's awesome.
सावर लेने का टाइम हो गया।
Seventeen gone, 106 for 7.
चलो क्लीन अप योर टॉयज, दादा दादी आ रहे हैं।
Q C
सावर लेने का टाइम।
QCB ये क्या सिखा रहे हो?
Q C B with VC मम्मी पापा के लिए कोच कंपेयर बाय with visitors coverage। अब ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस खरीदना is as simple as ABC।
QCB with VC।
Visitorscoverage.com। Buying travel insurance online is as simple as
Welcome to the Desi life. I love being able to celebrate my culture, my food, my flavors and stories with my neighbors, my friends and of course my kids.
वेलकम टू
Absolutely
देसी
vital.
लाइफ।
Restricting India to bowling out India.
Predicted score is round about 132. I think that's competitor total. Pakistan's got to keep taking those wickets. The boundary is going to not help Pakistan. Another short delivery from Haris. Haris been
भाई यहाँ है ना, यहाँ पे
today. He's been
एक जबरदस्त बात बता रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे क्या होता है भाई, है ना, यहाँ पे क्या होता है,
runs are just
जैसे कि तुम बाहर निकले हो, किसी रेस्टोरेंट में गए हो या तो कहीं पे भी बाहर निकले हो, ठीक है, और मानो कि भाई तुमको मतलब तुमने किसी देसी को देख लिया। जैसे मैं कसिनो में डोलता हूँ और मैंने कसिनो में किसी देसी को देख लिया, देसी इन द सेंस कि वो पाकिस्तानी हो या इंडियन हो या बांग्लादेशी हो। अब मुझे तो पता नहीं है ना वो कौन है, ठीक है। फिर मतलब मैं ऐसे ही जैसे चिल्ला होता हूँ ना, ए देसी, भाई सामने वाला कलप जाता है। ये सोचो, इन लोगों को देसी को अगर तुमने देसी बुलाया ना तो ये लोग कलप जाते हैं। एक बार तो ऐसा हुआ, एक बंदे ने मुझे ऐसा बोला कि वाई यू कॉल मी देसी। मैंने बोला भोसड़ी के देसी है तो देसी ही बुलाऊंगा ना, कौन सा तुम आके लौड़े अमेरिकन की औलाद है दो कौड़ी का। भाई वो वहां से राइट अवे वो भाग गया। तो यहाँ पे ऐसा है कि अगर तुमने यहाँ पे किसी को ऐसे चिल्ला के बोला ना ए देसी, तो ये लोग कलप जाते हैं, लेकिन मैं नहीं कलपता। आई ग्रो अप हियर। तो तू कौन सी अमेरिकन से पेट के निकली है? निकली तो तू पंजाबन के पेट से ही है ना। कौन सी तेरी माँ मतलब यहाँ अमेरिका में आई थी तेरी माँ तो गुरदासपुर से ही ना। मैं यहाँ पे बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप हुई हूँ।
Just put back in. Come back for 2. That's a good effort. That was traveling, that ball.
It's been a real hard work. Batting on this surface, India kept on losing wickets, but what they did really well was they just made sure that if there's anything loose, they put a bat on ball. They just made sure.
भाई
they
मैं
ran
तो
hard.
प्योर देसी माँ की चूत
And
देसी
this is not a bad total.
देसी
112,
जिंदाबाद
7 down, 17.3. If they can go maybe
माँ
another
चोद देंगे
20 odd runs, I think they'll be big time in this game.
Brilliant
Excellent
effort
fielding,
by
yeah.
Shadab, guys, I must say. He saved 2 runs for sure. And fielder has been changed. He specifically went there at third man, slightly finer now, because Naseem was a bit wider and he was slow on the ball. So how old is he? 22, 23? He should be prime of his fitness.
Oh, flicked away. There is a man in the deep, and nicely judged. That's a very good catch.
That's a big wicket. Huge wicket. Hardik Pandya at the end in the last couple of overs could have been really dangerous. Pakistan once again pulling the strings. They just keep taking wickets. The 8th one down now. Hardik Pandya just flicking it and then extra bounce, extra kick once again. And this time around, if Takhar Ahmed took it brilliantly, he was ordinary earlier, dropped the catch in the slip, but this time around, he's on the money.
भाई मुझे कोई गमछा भेज दो इंडिया से, वो गमछा आता है ना,
After this wicket, Pandya gone for 7.
गमछा वो कोई भेज दो यार। साला कभी तो कुछ मांगा है तुम लोगों से, भाई गमछा भेज दो मुझे, एक व्हाइट और एक लाल वाला। नहीं व्हाइट वाला नहीं, सिर्फ लाल ही भेजना। व्हाइट अच्छा मत है।
Yash Technologies, more than what you think. When your business throws you a surprise, don't throw in
भाई
the towel.
गमछा भेजो मुझे।
Funding you can count on. Biz2 Credit makes it
मतलब
simple
यहाँ
and
तक ही
convenient
होना
to
चाहिए,
solve
इतना
problems
लंबा
you never
मतलब
saw
भोसड़ी
coming.
वालों पेट
When
तक नहीं
trouble
होना
brews,
चाहिए, यहाँ तक ही
Biz2
होना
Credit is the
चाहिए, मतलब पूरा
solution.
स्टाइलिश लगना
Biz2
चाहिए,
Credit. Funding what's
मतलब
next.
स्टाइलिश भैया जी दिखना चाहिए।
Good catch
समझते
on
हो?
the boundary by Iftikhar Ahmed. He judged it well, made it look easy.
तो फिर क्या वो पान खा के यार वो नैपकिन वैपकिन मुझे ढूंढने पड़ते हैं ना, तो फिर वो गमछे से ही मैं ऐसे कर लूंगा। चलो आरएमडी खाने का टाइम हो गया।
In the air, straight to cover. First ball. Haris Rauf on a hat-trick. So it's 2 and 2 for Pakistan. And another wicket goes down.
That was a quick delivery. 150 kilometers an hour. It was little wide, and Bumrah just went for it. He just threw his bat at it and hit it straight to the man. Pakistan big time in this match. They will be feeling that they can win this game. They dropped few, now they're catching. Well, if you keep catching, that's good. That's a wonderful bowling. Pakistan, great comeback in this game. 112 for 9. Bumrah gone without scoring.
This thali represents my Desi style. I genuinely feel really proud to be a Desi. Dare I say I haven't encountered a richer culture. I am just so proud to share that with my community, my friends, and my family.
When your business throws you a surprise, don't throw in the towel. With funding you can count on, Biz2 Credit makes it simple and convenient to solve problems you never saw coming. When trouble brews, Biz2 Credit is the solution. Biz2 Credit. Funding what's next.
So the last man out there, Haris Rauf on a hat-trick. Was looking for
बच
the over.
गया मादर चोद।
Yeah, what a comeback for Haris Rauf, Shazzy. He went for 13 runs in his first over, and now 3 for 21 in his 3.
चलो भाई 130 स्कोर होगा कि नहीं होगा बताओ। भाई सेशन में देता हूँ 12 बॉल में कितना हुआ अभी पता नहीं, बैंकलन कितना 12 बॉल में 16-17 रन, बताओ होगा कि नहीं होगा।
I love being able to celebrate my culture, my
बताओ
food, and
मादर
stories
चोद।
with my friends and of course my kids. No thali is complete without dahi, and the Desi natural dahi is exactly that, natural, just like my mom would make it.
Pakistan should look to wrap this up rather than thinking of bowling.
अरे उसको नहीं लिया क्या मैच में? जसप्रीत बुमराह।
Bumrah
अच्छा यही है ना बुमराह।
He can bat. He can
ना
really
आज
throw his
बुमराह
bat.
चलेगा,
I beg your
ना
pardon,
बुमराह
Bumrah
के
is
कोई
gone.
न्यूयॉर्क
Siraj
चलेंगे।
is decent with the
न्यूयॉर्क
bat, so
में
make sure
बुमराह
that
के
you don't
न्यूयॉर्क
go
नहीं चलेंगे,
lose to him.
कतई नहीं,
And he's on strike.
कतई नहीं।
He takes the single, gives the strike to
ओ
Ashley.
बहन को बूढ़ो, ये पागल है क्या बहन के लौड़े?
That was so unnecessarily that throw. Knowing the batsman will increase, there's no. I can understand you're being positive, but don't give runs away.
मोहित चौधरी से 5 लाख ले लूंगा।
Every run.
ए मोहित चौधरी 5 लाख रेडी रखी हूँ मेरे,
Top fielders in world cricket.
कभी
In fact,
बहम में हो।
apart from Pakistan team, Shadab can do better than that.
It's really hot now with the sun beating down.
So we haven't been to Dallas. That was hot. Shadab.
It's humid here, actually.
Yeah, every run is important. They're going to come back for 2.
This outfield is really heavy. Even the outer fielders, you can see the way they take off. It's not that easy. It's taken a lot of juice out of these boys. This ball stopping once again in the pitch. That's why I went in the air. Imad with the second catch. Not hitting middle of the bat. It was there, but just got a little high on the bat and comfortable catch.
And if you remember, guys, Amir bowled his last over. We got wickets. Crossed him most of the deliveries, and hence the ball stopped. So maybe cross him is the way to go when India come out to bowl.
Every run being cheered here, every run important. This is real sloppy cricket.
Oh,
Absolutely.
Just calm them
needless.
down, my brother. Calm them down. Relax. It's okay. Even Rohit is laughing.
this is exactly what happened in the previous match against USA. In the super over, they were throwing the ball all around and they're just giving away too many easy runs. These runs gonna be really crucial. You can't just gift those runs to these batters.
Shaheen was blaming the throw. Was he complaining about the throw or was he complaining about the batter came in front of him?
I think he was saying he got unsighted with the batsman of him.
No ball बाकी है।
But in 19 now. India will be saying 9 balls to go. We can push it to 130. Still very much in the game. Round the wicket.
Ravi, I still feel that this is a pitch where you don't really need to go Yorker. You go wickets, you've taken wickets,
अरे मैं उठ ही नहीं
and the
पाया
batters
भाई।
are not enjoying anything pitched
मैं
halfway
उठाए
down the
बैठ तो
track
एक
or even
बजे।
maybe a little bit shorter. You bowl fuller, that's the problem. These are 3 wickets from Haris Rauf, all sort of back of the length.
He's playing every shot in the book, Siraj.
They're reviewing.
ये
Going
बुमराह
out
को
for him.
मादर चोट को सीधा खेलना नहीं आता, ये पीछे गांड मरवाने के लिए भोसड़ी के सीधा खेल धोने के लौड़े।
What the hell?
They've gone up.
Babar should take control. I can understand the excitement by the players and everybody's involved, but just
एक्चुअली
let the skipper
ये अच्छा
make the
ये
decision.
अच्छा नहीं लगता, ये होना चाहिए ऐसे
review for call behind.
ऐसे मतलब ये सिंबल थोड़ा ऐसे रखना चाहिए था, ऐसे
front time when available.
इन लोगों ने ये गलत रखा, ऐसे रखना चाहिए था, ऐसे।
Thank you. Looks like a bit of a gap there. Can we just go to Ultrees just to confirm? Running through, flat line. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Just roll it back one more time just to confirm. It looks like it's flat. Thank you. I'm ready to... I'll go back to Rod at field. Rod, you can stay with the written precision of not out. You're on screen. Signal.
So missing everything. 7 to go. 119 for 9.
नोट आउट।
Final ball of his spell.
Siraj is stretching his back. doing those extravagant shots.
Third man comes in, fine leg goes back. He's seen the batters trying to go on the onside.
That's in the air, just shot him it off. Chance of a run out. And he's shot off his ground. So Pakistan have bowled out India here for 119. And it's a very good effort because at one stage India were going at almost 8 runs per over after 10 or 11 with about 7 wickets in hand. So they pulled things back. What they've done is restricted India to 119, the lowest total which India have been bowled out in a T20 World Cup match.
Yeah, incredible performance of Pakistan. This was the last wicket, run out obviously. He played that shot beautifully. One bounce, brilliant effort by the skipper of Pakistan, Babar Azam. Good throw in the end. Focus, one bounce, and what an effort by Rizwan behind the stump. So 119, India all out. Haris 3 for 21, Afridi 1 for 29.
और गिरा हुआ इंसान मजे ले लिए तुमने. बहुत ये खुशी के आंसू रो रहा हूँ मैं भी इंडिया के लिए. बहुत मुझे खुशी के आंसू रोने के लिए आ रहे हैं. मैन इन द ब्लू. अच्छा हुआ मैं नहीं गया अपनी नींद खराब करके. एक तो बहन जो आधा घंटा चेकिंग करवाओ. शर्मा जी का लड़का 13 रन. अनुष्का का हस्बैंड 4 रन. क्या रे.
3 wickets for Haris Raut. Good comeback for him. And a wicket for Shaheen Shah Afridi as well.
120 बहुत बड़ा टारगेट है. अच्छा, ओवर के 6 रन है सिर्फ. 6 रन ओवर के.
Let's go down now to Neroli.
ज्यादा मत है. पहले 6 ओवर में ये लोग 80 रन मार देंगे गिरा हुआ इंसान. इंग्लिश नहीं आती इन लोगों को. इंग्लिश नहीं आती इन लोगों को.
As a bowling unit we did well, but I think it's a decent total on this track. It's a bit tricky.
इनकी इंग्लिश में है ना 4 बार होगा इंशाअल्लाह, माशाअल्लाह, सुभान अल्लाह, अल्लाहू अकबर. इनकी इंग्लिश में 5-6 लाइन यही होती है. सुनना सुनना.
As a bowler, you know you have to set the tone for the team, and my role was that I have to hit the right areas and to build the pressure on them.
सुनना अभी.
I did my job.
We still know though 119 on the board. It's been tricky scoring here in the stick. How do you think it's going to go?
As I said, I think we need to bat well and sensibly because we all the games we watch here, I think bit tricky. It's a low total scoring games here, and I think it depending on the start, how we start. I think we need to start well and finish well.
Appreciate your time. All the best.
Thank you.
Yes,
ये पढ़ा लिखा निकला. मुझे लगता है ये इंग्लिश स्कूल में पढ़ा होगा. मदरसा में नहीं पढ़ा है ये. मदरसा वाले आते हैं ना. हाँ, तो मतलब इंशाअल्लाह कर देंगे इसको. माशाअल्लाह. अगर अल्लाह मेहरबान रहा तो जीत लेंगे ये मैच को. मदरसा वाले आए नहीं आज इंटरव्यू.
Travel is not just about the destination. It's also about how you get
ये इंग्लिश मीडियम वाला लगा मुझे थोड़ा बहुत.
Fly Emirates. Fly better.
India have been bowled out for 119 by Pakistan for the very first time in T20 World Cups. Welcome back to watching Kent Cricket Live, co-powered by Amul and Eurogrip Tires. I've got Sunny J alongside me. What did you make of India's batting performance, and do they have enough of a score to defend?
Disappointing batting performance. Disappointing. I think it bordered on
being arrogant and reckless, if I might
चलो,
use the word, because there was an
तो
arrogance
मिलते
in
हैं
the way they
तुम्हारी
started
हार
as
के
well,
बाद,
looking
ठीक
to
है?
hit every ball. This is
तब तक मैं भी
not an Ireland attack. This is not an ordinary attack. And I don't mean
आज
any
जाऊंगा
disrespect to
पाकिस्तानी
Ireland
रेस्टोरेंट
when I
में
say
दावत
ordinary attack.
उछालने के लिए।
But this is a very, very experienced attack, and there should have been.
आज देखो मैं ये पहन के जाने वाला हूँ पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट में, दिखाता हूँ मैंने कब से बाहर निकाल के रखा हुआ
over
है।
to spare just actually tells you that you were probably not in the right kind of thinking cap on to another 6 runs, maybe get to 120, 125 would have been would make a difference.
Can the Indian pace try to effect some damage immediately and make a contest out of this?
आज ये पहनूंगा,
Yes, India's got the bowler. They get the early wickets in the first 6
आज ये
overs.
पहनूंगा।
Yes, we have a match on our
ये
hands.
Live
और
action
फिर इसके
waiting you.
ऊपर ये
This is the
डालूंगा,
greatest rivalry.
ये पहनूंगा, फिर उसके ऊपर वो अपना कोट डालूंगा। हाँ, रेडी करके रखा हुआ है मैंने। फिर जाऊंगा पाकिस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट में दावत उछालने के लिए।
Hey,
आज का मेरा
short
ड्रेसअप है।
online meetups with Jeevan Sathi Super Connect. Find your perfect
बहुत
match
ही
from
अच्छी खुशबू आ
thousands
रही
of
है।
NRI profiles. Download now. कैसा लगा?
और
100%
इत्र लगाने
है,
वाला हूँ
सारे
आज मैं,
हैं,
इत्र।
healthy है।
ये इसके
चुनिंदा
ऊपर
गेहूं से बना स्वर्ण चक्की फ्रेश आटा। इसमें है
जाऊंगा
100%
पाकिस्तानी
whole wheat,
रेस्टोरेंट
यानी ये
में।
ज्यादा पानी सोखे और
भाईजान
रोटियों को
भाईजान
बनाए
करके
बिल्कुल
उछालूंगा
soft।
दावत में। मेरा क्या
It's
है?
not just soft, it's Swarna soft.
Discover a love affair with every delicious sip. MTR Badam drink, a taste you'll fall in love with.
Taste the goodness of granular and pure GRB ghee.
As an Indian American, finding genuine connections on dating apps is difficult, but not anymore. Introducing Mera Love, an exclusive app for Indian Americans to find relationships that embrace our cultural identity and lifestyle.
चलो ठीक है भाई, मैं अब मैच देखो तुम लोग। मैं तो अब जीतने की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ।